Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ya, nama saya Arif Arga Kusuma, NIM 20016500011. Ya, pada hari ini hari Selasa tanggal 17 November tahun 2020 pada jam 11 siang ini saya akan melaksanakan UKIN video praktik pembelajaran PPG Universitas Muhammadiyah Purwokerto tahun 2020 sebagai syarat mengikuti ujian PPG pada angkatan 1 tahun 2020. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yeah. Good morning, students. How are you today?
Morning, fine, and you?
Okay, I am fine too. Thanks for your attention. Okay, students. Before we start this meeting today, it is better for us to pray first. Please, one of you can lead the pray. Hiliana, please. Bisa pimpin doa, Hiliana?
Are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Yes. Let's pray together. Finish.
Okay, Hiliana, thank you for leading the prayer today. Yeah, students, I remember you to fill the attendance list on Google Classroom. Are you done with this? Apakah sudah absen semua?
I have done it.
Sudah ya?
Sir.
Okay, good. Yeah.
Not yet, sir.
Not yet ya? Oke, nanti bisa sambil setelah ini bisa diisi yang belum absen. Well, now we go to the cheers today. Yeah, we will cheer together. Yeah. Are you ready? Don't forget the words. Yeah. Okay. Who wanna be the champion?
Me.
Okay. Who wanna be the champion?
Me.
Who wanna be the champion?
Me.
Okay. English class.
Easy, interesting, and fun.
Okay, once more. English class.
Easy, interesting, and fun.
Okay, applause. Yeah, very good. Yeah. Okay. Before we go to the material, I will ask you something about the last meeting that you have learned. So, guys, what have you learned in the past, in the last meeting before this meeting? Apa yang sudah kamu pelajari pada pertemuan yang lalu? Coba Aninda kayaknya mau jawab nih Aninda.
Application letter. Application letter and caption, sir.
Application letter and caption. Okay, very good. So, can you tell us little about them or one of them? Bisa diceritain apa yang kamu dapat ketika belajar caption? Sedikit saja untuk mengulang materi yang kemarin.
Caption yaitu tulisan singkat yang melengkapi gambar or completed the picture.
Okay, good. Yang lain mungkin Sinta mau coba? Sinta, please. Halo Sinta. mungkin Aninda coba. Anindi, sorry, Anindi. Halo Anindi.
Yes, sir.
What you have learned in the last meeting about a caption? Can you tell us a little? Bisa diceritakan sedikit apa yang kamu dapat? Kalau enggak itu deh, yang application letter boleh, yang mana boleh?
Caption memberi penekanan suatu artikel atau gambar.
Yeah, so guys, well students, today's learning is about procedure text. Yeah, so we will focus on the reading scale, your reading scale that will be assessed later. So you have to do your best, yeah, for this meeting to try read sentences correctly. Yeah. So dealing with the procedure text, can one of you explain an example about it? Apakah mungkin ada yang bisa sedikit menceritakan tentang procedure text, atau mungkin lebih tepatnya kepada how to operate or use something begitu? Anindi mungkin bisa nggak diceritakan bagaimana cara kita menyalakan TV? Misalnya. Langkah-langkahnya.
The first step, take a remote, press a icon, put a power button.
Boleh pakai bahasa Indonesia, it's okay. Boleh
pilih channel yang kita sukai, besarkan volume televisi, dan menikmati acara TV.
Very good, applause Anindi, yay, very good. Ya, any other? Mungkin yang lain, coba deh. Hiliana. Halo Hiliana.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Hiliana, can you try to explain how to make a call using an Android?
Boleh pakai bahasa Indonesia?
Iya, boleh. Boleh campur juga boleh, nggak apa-apa.
Yang pertama, nyalakan handphone. Pencet tombol power yang ada di handphone, biasanya di sebelah, di samping handphone.
Oke.
Terus buka kunci handphone.
Iya.
Itu icon telepon.
Oke.
Terus pilih kontak akan dihubungi.
Iya. Kemudian udah.
Pencet telepon.
Pencet telepon. Iya, oke. Setelah itu
menunggu yang ditelepon menjawab, merespon.
Yeah, very good. Okay, students. Now we are going to play a game. Let's play a game. Yeah, the rule is I will give you the clues, and then please you guess what object that I describe. Okay, for the first, this thing is used to show entertainment and sometimes people watch this to know about information or some news. So what is it? Who wanna answer? Ada yang mau menjawab? Silakan. Ya,
Television.
siapa ini? Aninda ya?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take it together. Oh, very good. Congratulations. Applause for Aninda. Well, students, now I will show you a video dealing with this material, yeah. So please you watch and uh, take a look at this video carefully and learn what the content in the video. Okay, let's check it together.
How to use an electronic iron. We use the heat of an electronic iron to remove wrinkles from fabric and get our clothes tidy. Before we go to the steps, make sure that we have prepared some items, such as 1. An electronic iron. 2. Clothes. 3. A flat surface board. 4. Clothing hangers.
So this is some aspects to be assessed today. The first is your reading skill of procedure text, and the second, your activity in the learning today. The third, your ability in answering the question well. Okay. Yeah. Then for today's activities, there are 5 points here. The first is you will have a discussion dealing with an example of procedure text entitled How to Use an Electronic Iron. The second, you should learn to read it well by yourself. And please pay attention with the pronunciation. And then the third, present the text by reading it well. And please give feedbacks to the presenter that is presenting the text. And the last is answer some question provided. Oke, jadi itu beberapa aktivitas yang harus kamu lakukan untuk hari ini. Do you understand, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Okay, students, let's continue to the next slide. Yeah, how to use an electronic iron. Yeah, this is the text that you have watched in the video. Yeah, so my question is, what do you learn from the video?
We learned the step how to use an electronic iron.
Okay, very good. Yeah. Can you see the title of this? Bisa lihat judul dari teks ini? Coba dibaca Hilyana, judulnya apa ini? How to?
How to use an electronic iron.
Yeah, that's very good. So, students, dealing with this text, dari teks tersebut, kira-kira judul ini namanya apa bagiannya dalam teks itu? Nah, kira-kira apa? Apa? The next, please read Anindi.
We use the head of an electronic iron to remove wrinkles from fabric and get our clothes tidy. Before we go to the steps, make sure that we have prepared some items such as 1. An electronic iron. 2. Clothes.
3. A flat surface. 4. 4. Clothing hangers.
Okay, good. Nah, there are 4 items. Yeah, here. So, dealing with the part of the text or the generic structure, what can we call about these items? Kira-kira namanya apa ini? Ya, kamu boleh buka di Google atau mungkin di buku-buku. Di LKS juga ada mungkin. Namanya bagian apa kira-kira?
Material.
Apa?
Material.
Iya, very
Atau
good.
ingredient.
Material.
Iya, material atau ingredients. Kalau ingredients, apa itu? Ingredients.
Bahan.
Hmm.
Bahan pembuatan sesuatu.
Iya. Kalau ini namanya apa? Materials apa ingredients?
Alat material. Material.
Iya,
Materials.
materials. Ya.
In order to do so, we need to follow these following steps. First, plug the iron cable into an electricity socket and wait until the iron gets hotter. Place the clothes on the placemat. Apply the iron on the clothes surface evenly. Flip the clothes and apply the iron on the outer side of the clothes evenly. Put the clothes on the clothing hangers. Continue with other clothes.
Okay. Yeah. In this part, what have you found? Dari bagian ini kira-kira yang kamu temukan apa isinya? Apakah kayak tadi materials, bahan-bahan tadi itu atau alat-alatnya atau bagaimana?
Step.
Apa?
Step, sir.
Steps. Before we go to the next slide, now is the time for you to learn by yourself how to read it well, the text I mean, yeah. And I will give you about 10 minutes. Later, you should present one by one by reading the text, yeah. Okay. Now please, you learn by yourself how to read it.
Sir,
Okay.
how to pronounce TD and wrinkles?
Okay, good question. Ya, TD di sini ya. You can check on your text. Bacanya we can read it tidy. Coba apa diulangi? Tidy.
Tidy.
Yeah,
Tidy.
good. And then wrinkles, you can read it wrinkles. Wrinkles. Iya, wrinkles. Coba lagi.
Wrinkles.
Iya, good. Oke. Sudah ya? Apa ada yang lain? Oke, I think the time is up. Waktunya habis. Oke, now I will call your name one by one. Please, who the name I call, please you present by reading the text. Okay, please the first to present is Aninda. Read aloud.
Yes, sir. How to use an electronic iron. We use the heat of an electronic iron to remove wrinkles from fabric and get our clothes tidy. Before we go to the step, make sure that we have prepared some such as An elec- eh, 1. An electronic iron. 2. Clothes. 3. A flat surface board. 4. Clothing hangers. How to use electronic iron? In order to do so, we need to follow this following step. 1. Plug the iron cable into electricity socket and wait until the iron gets warmer. 2. Place the clothes on the placemat. 3. Apply the iron on the clothes surface evenly. 4. Flip the cloth and apply the iron on the other side of the clothes evenly. 5. Put the clothes on the clothing hangers. 6. Continue with other clothes.
Okay, good, Aninda. So please, one of you can correct Aninda's reading. Yang lain mungkin bisa mengkoreksi kalau ada kata-kata yang kurang tepat. Siapa kira-kira? Aninda's reading. Yang lain mungkin bisa mengkoreksi kalau ada kata-kata yang kurang tepat. Siapa kira-kira? Nindi? Ada yang mau dikoreksi nggak?
Yes.
Ada yang mau dikoreksi apa sudah bagus? Aninda bacanya?
Sudah, bagus.
Sudah ya, good. Hiliana mungkin? Ada yang mau dikoreksi?
Tidak ada, Mister.
Please, Sinta, you are the second.
How to use an electric iron. We use a heat of an electric iron to remove wrinkles from fabric and get our clothes tidy. Before we go to the steps, make sure that we have prepared some items such as first, an electric iron, second, clothes, third, a flat surface board, fourth, clothing hangers. In order to do, we need to follow these following steps. 1. Plug the iron cable in electricity socket and wait until the iron gets warmer. 2. Place the clothes on the placemat. 3. Apply the iron on the clothes surface evenly. 4. Flip, flip the clothes and apply the iron on the other side of the clothes evenly. 5. Put the clothes on the clothing hangers. 6. Continue with other clothes. Finish.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, thank you, Sinta. Please,
Most
the
welcome,
others.
sir.
The others can give correction to Sinta, please. If there any correction. Aninda, any correction or no?
No, sir.
Okay, good. Hiliana? Tidak ada
Mister.
koreksi. Okay. Anindi? No. Okay, very good. Yeah, good, Sinta. Next is Anindi. Time for you.
How to use an electronic iron. We use the heat of an electronic iron to remove wrinkles from fabric and get our clothes tidy. Before we go to the step, make sure that we have prepared some. 1. An electronic iron. 2. Clothes. 3. A flat surface board. 4. Clothing hangers. In order to do so, we need to follow these following steps. 1. Plug the iron cable into an electricity socket and wait until the iron gets warmer. 2. Place the clothes on the placemat. 3. Apply the iron on the cloth surface evenly. 4. Flip the cloth and apply the iron on the other side of the clothes evenly. 5. Put the clothes on the clothing hanger. 6. Continue with other clothes. Enough.
Okay, thank you, Anindi. Please, anyone want to correct something? Okay, please, anyone want to correct something?
Hi, sir.
Okay, please, Aninda.
I find that Anindi said apply. It should be
Mm-mm.
applied.
Okay, very good. Very good correction, Aninda. Any other? Ada yang lain? Okay, everyone has presented the text. Now we go to the next. Nah, this is LKPD page 1. Yeah, you can check it on your LKPD. Yeah, at page 1 that I have attached in Google Classroom yesterday. So there are 5 numbers of the questions. So I will give you about 10 minutes to finish all of the questions, and later I will allow you to answer. Yeah, understand, students?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Okay, time is up. Now, who want to answer number 1? Please you say your name and read the question, then you give the answer.
I am Sir Aninda.
Aninda, okay, please.
Number 1. What is the goal of the text above?
Mm-mm.
The text is text procedure and the goal to use an electronic iron.
Okay, very good. That's true. Give applause for Aninda. Okay, number 2. Who wanna try?
Answer
Mm-mm.
Anindi.
Okay, Anindi, please.
Number 2.
Mm-mm.
What do we need to do before going to the step?
Mm-mm.
We have prepared some items or
Okay.
materials. Uh,
Okay, huh?
Electron iron, clothes, clothing hangers, and
Hmm?
a flat surface board.
Okay, good. Uh, yang lain? Is it true or false? Benar ya?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now we go to the next slide. It's about conclusion and reflection. The first is, what do you get from the learning today? What have you learned today? Maybe one of you can say something about the conclusion, please.
Mm, we learned the step how to use an electronic iron.
Then,
Then there are some steps to use an iron. We should do preparation, and doing some steps.
Okay, good. Okay, students, are you very happy today for joining the learning?
Yes, we very happy.
Why?
Um, this is interesting.
Mm-mm.
Menarik.
Yeah,
And
interesting.
fun.
Good.
And fun.
Fun. Okay. Okay, please.
Yes.
Uh, any other comment about the learning today?
Materinya jelas dan ada permainannya, sangat mengasihkan.
Okay, good. Do you like it? Suka ya?
Yes, I like it.
Okay, very good. Yeah. I think enough for the conclusion and the reflection session. Okay, students. Now we go to the evaluation of your reading. You have done for your reading before, and I found some mistakes. The first is TD. Yeah, it should be tidy. Okay, please repeat together. Tidy.
Tidy.
Iya.
Tidy.
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 Iya, tadi ada yang mengatakan such as. Harusnya apa? It should be such as. Apa?
Success.
Such as.
Success.
Okay, together. Such as.
Success.
Okay. This is the last. Your task after the meeting today. Ya, listen up. Listen carefully, students. Didengarkan baik-baik. For today's task, after this virtual meeting, yeah, the first, you should do the assessment test via online that I have attached in Google Classroom. There are 10 questions, yeah, 10 numbers of questions, and then please you can do it after this virtual meeting. And then the second, for your homework, you should find another example how to operate something and learn how to read it correctly. Okay, get the point?
Yes, sir. I get the point.
Okay, very good. Yeah, before we close this meeting, yeah, for the next meeting, we will discuss about uh, the procedure text, but in different view. Yeah, because for next week, for next meeting, we will learn how to speak up well dealing with procedure text. Okay, understand ya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if there is any question after the virtual meeting, you can uh, text me. You can send me a message via WhatsApp. It's okay, no problem. Yeah. Now, uh, let's close this meeting by reciting hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Amin.
Yeah. Thanks for your attention today. Last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Okay,
wabarakatuh.
see you later. Bye.
See you. Bye bye.